So we had discussed what is this bottom-up parsing, and we have just seen that there are different types of bottom-up parsing, in which one of the type is LR0 parsing, and we will discuss now conflicts in LR0 parsing. So what is this bottom-up parser? The goal of bottom-up parser is given in which an input string W is given and a grammar G is given. Then we have to construct a parse tree by stating at the leaves and working at the root. Working to the root means we have to start from the bottom. We have to take all the leaves, all the tokens of the word given or the string given, and we have to reach to the root, that is the starting non-terminal of the given grammar. If we reach to this root or the starting node or starting non-terminal, then the parser is successful for that grammar, for that input string also. So in here we have discussed one of its type, that is called LR0 parser. All the bottom-up parsers are called shift-reduce parser. And in this LR0 parser, we have seen how to construct its parsing table. We have seen its implementation also. But there is some problem in which we can say that this grammar is not LR0 parser. We have some kind of conflicts in this. So I'm going to show you the next slide. The conflicts in LR0 parser is shift reduce conflict and reduce reduce conflict. So we have already discussed what is this zero denote, and now I'm going to discuss about what is the shift reduce conflict and reduce reduce conflict. I'm going to show you the next slide. Here this state number 5 has both the shift as well as reduce move. This A dash drives alpha dot is showing that this is reduce move, whereas this production A dash drives alpha dot A, it shows that on the symbol A it can go to the state number 6. Therefore, in the state number 5 we have in the column of A as 6 as well as R with the rule number this one, A dash drives alpha. So this is called shift reduce conflict, because in the one cell we are having more than one move, that is called shift move as well as reduce move. So that therefore this is called shift reduce conflict. Another is reduce reduce conflict. In this reduce reduce conflict we have two productions, both have reduce move. Reduce move, how we determine that? Dot is placed at the end of the production in the right side of the production or at the last position. If dot is present, then that is reduce move. And in the same state number 5 we have two reduce move. Therefore in state number 5 we have in each column, in A, B, C, we have R1, R2, R1, R2, R1, R2, because suppose this is one is rule number 1 and this one is rule number 2. So this is called reduce reduce conflict, because we don't know we have to reduce with which rule. So this is a conflict. Therefore this is called reduce reduce conflict. So I'm going to stop here. Okay, thank you.